Hello everyone. The title of the video today is Participate, Do Not Anticipate. This is not a video about the strategy, when to enter, when to exit, etc. It's more about the mindset. Sometimes, for some reason, because I don't have cash or I didn't see the stock, my entry is not that good. It's not the ideal, it's not perfect. Before, when I started trading, I wouldn't take that trade if the entry wasn't perfect. My loss rate was higher, my stress was higher, and I was forcing my worldview on the stock. I was forcing my idea of what the stock should be doing instead of what was really happening. So I was trying to anticipate the breakout, anticipate the squeeze, anticipate everything. And the results were not that good. So I have been changing that mindset over the years. And now what I'm looking for is what is moving, where I see a lot of indication that the stock is gonna continue moving up. Because to be real, my money, my positions are not big. It won't change the direction of the or influence the direction of the market or the stock. And something that always happens is that when the stock start moving, big money needs time, needs a lot of time to build the position. Sometimes month, sometimes week. And this is a good example. Iran. The stock started breaking on August 18. I didn't see it. Actually, I didn't see it here on September 10. I saw it a few days ago. And based on the trajectory, based on what has been happening, based on all of the indication that the stock could be moving up, and I identify what are the main moving average, for example, for me, and then I took the trade. I opened my position, and instead of thinking, oh, if it's too overextended, I'm just looking at the chart and I'm trading the chart. So I'm trading the reality instead of what I think that should happen. And the result has been really nice. I'm up since tonight 23%, and I'm gonna be trading that. Of course, I'm gonna be taking some profits along the way, and I'm gonna be moving my stop loss closer every day. But the idea of the video, this is not investment advice. I'm not an expert by any means. It's just that to share something that helped me over the years to improve my trades. The whole point is that we need to trade what is happening instead of what we would like to happen. We need to participate, do not anticipate. This is a good example. I'm going to show you more. It is important that we have defined a well-defined stop loss, because situation like this could happen also. The stock was moving for 2 months. I identified 1 week ago. I took my position. I closed the position close to 17% of the move because it was violating my stop loss. And that's the right decision always. Close it because gap down can happen. This another example here is closer to a good entry, but still now it's testing the stop loss. If it continues, if I'm moving down, I'm gonna close it. But if it continues moving up, well, I'm gonna ride the trend. This is another good example of a position that is still open. I'm at, for example, some another idea that I had before. When the stock is close to the all-time height or is close to 1 year high, in anticipation for the resistance, I was selling and closing the whole position. That's not something that I do today. Maybe I take based on the percentage of the profit. Maybe I take one third, one fourth of the position out. But then I just trade the chart. For example, this one is closed already. It was on a small move, but that's okay. Qualcomm is still open and moving up. If I can give you another reason why to participate instead of anticipate. The market has been moving down in the last 2 days, but still Qualcomm is moving up. So I'm gonna ride it. I'm gonna take profit. And then the last example that I have is CAT. That one, it was a good entry, I would say, on the breakout. The date of the breakout with a good volume. It's still moving up. It's testing the stop loss. We have this long tail that it could be negative, but I really don't care. I'm gonna see what happened, and if it's a dip, I'm gonna sell. If it's a pullback and continuation, then I'm gonna ride the trend. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. It's more about the mindset because big money needs time to build the position, sometimes weeks, sometimes month, and you can see it in the chart. So the whole point is participate, do not anticipate. It's gonna be better for the win rate, in my opinion, and also for the stress. This is no investment advice, but let me know if you like it.